Hi everybody, I'm going to do a quick video that solves a couple of problems. One is, hey, should I use my Google Drive on my iPad? Or the second question would be, what's the best way to use Google Drive on my iPad? And that's what we're talking about, the Google Drive app. The other question was, how do I access those Whitepages easily either on iTunes U or on my iPad so it's easy to view? And I'm going to take you to Google Drive to make that happen. So let's take a look at what happens if we go to the App Store and get ourselves downloading a Google Drive. So just tapped on App Store right there, and then up in the top corner, I type in Drive. I think just Drive does it. There it is. Google Drive is the first thing that popped up, so I clicked on it, and then I'm going to go right here where it says free and click on there. Mine says open because I already have it, but you just go ahead and click on it and go through the download process for the Google Drive. You want this one with this icon, not any of these other knockoff brands. You want this one right here. And once you've downloaded it, it's going to look like this. So here's the Google Drive right here on my iPad. I've just downloaded it, let's say. And if I tap on it, it's going to say, hey, let's get started. And what's going to be great here is once you log in here, it's going to remember you. So I'm going to log in as jiken at tomachinified.org. And now that I've placed my password, I'm just going to sign in. Okay, so take a look. We've logged into Google Drive app for our iPad. It has similar features to the Google Drive online through the Chrome browser. It's got My Drive, Shared with Me, Starred, and Recent. You can see I'm logged in here, and then here are my file folders. They're inside My Drive. So once you go ahead and tap on the Whitepages, it'll open right up. And as you can see, it's opened up right here inside my Google Drive app. Now, we're not on an internet browser. We're inside the Google Drive app, so it acts a little differently than the internet browser, but it's great because it's just for Google. Now, one of the things we're going to find, one of the things that I don't like is that as you scroll down, you can see the tables aren't able to be seen when you first open it up. No problem, just tap on the table. And it'll say, hey, viewing this item is currently unsupported. So sometimes you'll have a picture or a video or a table that it can't see, and it says, hey, you want to open up in preview mode? Absolutely. Click on preview. Ooh. So it opens up here in preview mode. Now in preview mode, it acts a little differently than it does in regular mode, but it's okay. I mean, we can click on a link, and it's going to take us to now a preview segment of the CAG. I'll just kind of click it again, and now we can function through those resource tabs and pages at the very bottom. We're only going to find one footer at the bottom that gives us our CAG feedback form, as opposed to in the normal version, it has it on every single page. In the preview version, it's just a little bit different, but it's a great way to access the CAG Whitepages on your iPad, as well as all of your regular Google Doc pages on your iPad. So you have your Drive, we have Shared with Me, we have Starred and Recent. What I like about this is if you're going to generate or create a new document, up in the right-hand corner, you can see the plus sign. Just create something new. It's much easier to do here in the app version than trying to navigate Chrome on your iPad and then getting to Google Drive from there. So this is a much more functional way of behaving in Google Drive on your iPad. It's through the Google Drive app. So I recommend that you download this today and get started. Hope this helps.